Peterbilt trucks are manufactured by the Peterbilt Motors Company, an American truck maker. It was founded in 1939, when the Fagioli Truck Company was acquired. The name comes from founder Al Peterman. Peterbilt specializes in the production of heavy-duty and medium-duty commercial vehicles. These trucks can be identified by a large red oval brand emblem. It has been in use since 1953. Since 1965 they also use a bird-style hood ornament. Headquarters is in Denton, Texas. The most famous Peterbilt truck is probably the 1954 Peterbilt 281, seen here. It starred in Steven Spielberg's famous 1971 movie Duel, where a traveling salesman is terrorized by a mostly unseen driver in a Peterbilt truck. In our journey we will see Peterbilt 351 trucks from 1955 to 1972. I tried to present at least one truck from each year. Let's give it a go. More original classic cars and information you find at classiccarzone.org.